It's January, and that means it's National Soup Month. What better time of year is there to celebrate a dish that warms us up and makes us feel all good inside? So whether we're looking for one to fill us up or get rid of the sniffles, the one we're making today is always welcome. We start by sauteing a chopped onion in a bit of olive oil till it's tender. To that, we add a couple cans of diced tomatoes, a splash of balsamic vinegar, a bit of chopped garlic, and a few off-the-shelf spices. We'll let this cook for a few minutes. Then we add a good amount of water and some condensed chicken broth and bring it to a boil. Once it's boiling, we add some frozen or refrigerated cheese tortellini and a bunch of fresh spinach. As soon as the tortellini is tender, it's time to call the troops to the table. My guess is they'll be there lickety-split, since who can resist homemade soup that's this hearty? Between the rich tomato broth and the plum cheese-filled pasta, what's not to love? As always, the recipe for Mamma Mia's tortellini soup is online now. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a fill-you-up way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.